A tier social culture group has condemned the gruesome murder of Professor Gabriel Nitio, a professor of history, Moses Osho at Dasu University, Makodi, and his brother in his residence at Dakani, Makodi. President General and Chairman of the three social cultural organizations in Benue State, Air Commodore Agbeche Titus, retired, describes the murder as gruesome and urges security agencies to carry out proper interrogation on the suspect now in custody. The police had earlier confirmed the arrest of the suspect after committing the murder on his way to Lafia the following day before he was apprehended by security agents along the way. The social culture group said the thief nation consults with the family, the university authority over his murder and assures of its commitment to get to the root cause of the problem. He urged all Benue State indigents to remain calm and law-abiding pending the investigation of the police.